Okay, so we're gonna do, that seemed, 5 seemed to work for that, and I'm thinking 5. I wanna see here. The mod scientist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. So a half a tablespoon. Let's see if a half a tablespoon changes that. Okay, I do not have blue in that aspect. I don't have blue in any of them. Oh, I have blue in this one. Let's try this one. We'll do 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4, 5. I went more than I wanted, but that's fine. We're gonna, that seems dry. Okay. It definitely seems like I got more in there than the last one. So 6 might be too much for sure. It's pretty blue though. Look at that. That's a vibrant blue. Okay, it's really hard to tell if that is all mixed up, but it is definitely more liquid than the last one. And it is a blue. It is a blue. And we're gonna use, let's do this one next. Okay. I'm gonna make another video, which you won't see till after this one, of course, in which we're gonna make ribbons, colored ribbons out of material. So, just because I think it'd be kind of cool. All right, so let's turn that back around. So I feel like my hand sanitizer was a little more liquidy than the one that she used, but that could just be me. All right, so we're gonna take the blue out now. I'm gonna stick it in here. Actually, I want to flip it over. Woo. I think that one's gonna work better that way. Flipped over. All right, so we're gonna use our Undandy heart. Okay, we got a lot of liquid on there. That gives me a really purpley one. I'm not sure if it's because I mixed it with this or not. Let's try a clean one. This one has not been used. Oh yeah, look at that. I like that one. Okay, and then we're gonna do stencil. Stencil. Let's clean this one off. Oops. Piper coming with my. The bigger things aren't gonna work as well. Like this is not probably gonna work as well. I don't know. If I glued it on there, it probably would work better. Let's flip it over. See what we get. Oh, that's a nice G. That's a nice G. That G turned out really well, actually. Huh, okay. G and J are really good. I've been checking on my letters here. See if they're all working. Ah, come back, come back. Things. Let's see about this one here. You don't really have to hit that one hard. Oh, maybe you do. Nope. You don't have to hit that one hard at all to get that. I like to make a lot of, I myself like to make a lot of abstract stamps. I like abstract looking things. So the blue works really well. Let's do a stencil. I got different stencils here. These are actually not the stencil part. So I have to look at it. They're the, I don't know what you'd call it. They're the plastic that went to the stencil to keep the stencil safe. So this is wet. So what happens if I put that red on there? Will I get a... I feel like it's more liquidy right than the red. But it works. See? There's the, let's see if I can find it. That's a pot of honey. Let's see if we can get this pot of honey to show up. The pot of honey. Can you show up? That's right here. So, yes. I wasn't going to use these as that. I was going to try making them into stamps. So that's pretty cool. Because I have the stencils to that. Alright, so blue's done. Now we have to... So the issue here is, like I said, this does not lay flat in any shape or form. So it's just sitting there and there. Let's do another one of the plastic ones. As soon as I figure out where to put them. Excuse me. Got a lot of things going on. A lot of things going on. Okay. Where did that other piece go, though? Wait a minute. I've lost a... oh, there it is. It's like, I lost a sponge. I didn't, though. Okay, we'll use this one. There we go. Okay. So we'll put this sponge here. Alright. Now, this one was 10, right? So let's, it would be 2 of these, technically. So let's see. Which is what she said for her squares, but well, it seems like that might have been what I did wrong on that one red, because I didn't use as much, but I eyeballed it, and that's what the eyeball seemed to say. Okay, so we're doing blue, blue, blue. I have a different blue, though, I want to try. This is a darker blue. A darker blue. I also have alcohol paints, which I'm not sure. Let's try those. This is the blue dye. Let's see what that does. Ooh, yuck. It all came off. That's what it did. Okay, wow. Excitement. I won't be using that much longer, I don't think. I might have to make that into a spritz or something, because... Alright, now we need to stir it, right? So the liquid dyes actually mix better, I find, than the cake dyes, which probably is true. It's really pretty. Problem is I can't tell if it's mixed or not because I got this bump. So you want flat bottoms, flat bottoms, to make sure you've mixed up your... So I don't feel like this is... I don't feel like I mixed it up well. Because it's not clumpy, it's just weird. See how it's weird? That could just be me. I'm just looking for weirdness. Alright, so we're going to put this one in. If you want to see all the people I watch who do a lot of this kind of crafty stuff, in the bottom of my description part, if you go down, you will see that. Okay, whew, that smells very... Oh, that's because those were alcohol paints. That's what that was. That's why it smelled... I was like, why does that smell so alcohol-y? But, oh, see? Burning, burning, burning. So this is a different dye than the other dye, just so you know. So it may not work, it may work, I don't know. Okay. I don't feel like it covered as much of it. So this might be a blue that we need to not use again. Let's see. No, yeah, it's there. It's very light blue. Not sure why that's the case, but it's very light. It's not a very dark blue. Let's, I feel like we should have tried it with the other, but that's the way it goes. We did an experiment. It didn't work as well. But we do have blue, so that's fine. I'm gonna hope that it will sit here and kind of gather itself, because you can see this. See, look, there's a blue thing going on.